Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, blue color, red color, green color, white color and yellow color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use black color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use blue color. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use red color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use green color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.